Hello everyone, guys. When you find little pieces which look like this, you find little pieces like this on the floor, don't get scared that this is beak of your parrot. I mean, this is beak of your parrot, but your parrot's beak changes during the year and it replaces with a new tissue, okay? So don't get scared. This is natural behavior. This is a natural change for your parrot. Just make sure you increase nutrition of your parrot with higher protein. A little bit of fish or egg would be fine. And don't panic. Your parrot will change the feathers and beak during the year. And this is very, very natural change of your parrots, okay? Take care.